Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I hope this video is helpful to everyone. Please don't judge me because of how nasty my vehicle is. It's a work vehicle. I'm in it every day with dirty clothes on, and it's just a work vehicle, so it does look pretty grungy. I apologize for that. That being said, this is for the console removal of a 1996 Ford Explorer. And the reason I'm removing this console is because I have a seat belt latch here that does not have a spring in it. The spring is collapsed, so it does not work. I picked one up at a pick and pull for a couple dollars, and I'm going to be putting that in. And you could take the bolts out of the seat and bring the seat up to get to this Torx bolt that's holding the seat belt in. But I found it easier just to remove this. This is pretty simple to get out, but it's just so tight down in here, it's hard to get to that bolt. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing the console, and we'll be going through the steps to do that. And what you'll need for this job is a knife or a screwdriver to do some prying with, a 5/16 socket, a T45 Torx bit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. And an impact drill or wrench would really come in handy for that Torx bit, because it's in there pretty good. They have Loctite on them, so that'll come in pretty handy. So first thing you would want to do in removing the console is to, right here at the change holder, there's a little lip that goes around. What you do is just grab a hold of that and just give a good firm yank, and it should come right out. Down in here there are 2 Phillips head screws. So right here are the 2 screws, the black ones here and here, not these. These stay, but you'll be focusing on these 2 right here. Just 2 screws, lay them to the side. The next thing you'll want to do is get rid of the armrest. So to get rid of the armrest, what I like to do is I like to pull the seats all the way forward. Let this come forward. And this here exposes the cover to the armrest. So you just go in there and pop that cover off, and then your 5/16 bolts are in there. And we'll do the same for this side. Just pop the cover off. Now the armrest will just lift right out, and you can just set it to the side. So now the only thing left holding this whole console in is just this one screw here. So we'll go ahead and take it out. Set it to the side, and then your console just lifts out. Now we'll be working with the Torx bit. The Torx bit looks like this here, and it's a T45, and it will be taking this out. So it's kind of tight in here with this. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see the blue in the thread here. That's the Loctite they put on there. It makes it very hard to get out if you're just trying to use a hand wrench. And also, if you don't have a T45, what you can do is you can use an Allen wrench. An Allen wrench will seat in there pretty good and hold fairly well if it's not too tight. But like I said, with it's probably impossible to get it off with this, with that Loctite on there. You need a impact wrench, impact drill to get that off. So now we can, you save this bolt for your other one. Now you can just unplug the clip where it unplugs. There's the plug. And the spring is gone in this, so I'll get the new one. So the new one has a good spring in it. It actually pops back out. So I will be putting this one in. So you just do everything in the reverse from here on. Plug this one up. Put your bolt back in. I find it easier just to put it in that. And that way it's already ready to go. You want to get that good and tight. Tuck that back down in there. So now, got a seatbelt latch. Okay, now we just do everything in the reverse order. Okay, so now that we got that back in, we can put the console back. So then you just grab the console, and it will sit right back in there. Pretty simple. The one screw back in, which I think is probably going to be stripped. We'll put it back in there anyway. Yep, it's stripped. That's okay. And we'll put the 5/16 on. Put the armrest back in. Back up. And pop your covers back in, which I forgot on the other side. And then just put the 2 screws back in the front. And then just snap the cup holder, chain holder back in. And then you're done. And now I should have a seat belt that actually works. Yay! Like I said, this is for a 1996 Ford Explorer. It's probably similar on other Explorers close to this model. Some of the models, yeah, I had a hard time finding one that fit this particular one. Most of them had consoles that went all the way up with electronics and everything in them. This one is fairly simple, so I hope it benefits someone, and I hope it helps somebody out. So have a good day. Thanks for watching.